Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and in this video, I'll show you how to view Facebook profile without an account. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your device. If you don't have the app, you can also do this through a browser. Step 2. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're on the profile page, tap the three-dot menu. Now scroll down and look for the option that shows the profile ID or username. Copy this profile link. Step 3. Once you have the profile link copied, open any browser on your system, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Step 4. Now, open a new tab in the browser. In the address bar at the top, paste the profile link you copied earlier. Step 5. Press Enter, and the profile page will load. If the profile is public, you should be able to see the details, including the profile picture, name, and basic information. Step 6. Sometimes a pop-up might appear asking you to log in. If that happens, simply close the pop-up and continue browsing the profile. That's it. You have successfully viewed a Facebook profile without logging into an account. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.